Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Why are people buying this mini trampoline on eBay for $99 when they could just go to Kmart and buy it for only $39? That's nearly 60% cheaper. Or purchase this blower on eBay for $159 when again they could just go to Bunnings and purchase it for only $109. This week's quick video is dropshipping explained. But before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step by step how anyone can build a 7-digit online business from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. So first of all, just so we're on the same page, the term dropshipping means selling an item and then after you've sold the item and the customer's paid you, you then order the item from your supplier. And your supplier ships the item direct to your customer for you. You never see or touch the item. Your supplier does all the hard work for you of warehousing the inventory, ordering the inventory from the manufacturers, financing the inventory until it sells, and then packing and shipping the inventory to your customers for you. In the industry, dropshipping is also called virtual inventory. With dropshipping, you're always cash flow positive as you get paid first before you purchase any inventory from your suppliers. So the question is, why do people pay higher prices on marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, Gumtree, Facebook marketplaces, and websites like Shopify stores, etc., when they could just purchase the same items cheaper from the dropship suppliers? The answer is, some people do the research and find the suppliers. However, others don't. It's a similar question that I get all the time as to why do 9%, that's 9 not 90 but 9 as in one less than 10, 9% of all orders for our Australian operation come from buyers in other countries. Now when you think about it, it's pretty crazy. It's pretty much everything that we sell online in Australia comes from China, Malaysia and Vietnam. So why is somebody in, say, California purchasing from an Australian eBay Amazon seller? If that buyer had just done more research, they almost certainly would have found USA based suppliers that they'd have much lower shipping than from here in Australia. Pretty much everything that we sell here in Australia is available from, well, it's available in all other first world countries, like the USA. Bottom line is, humans are creatures of habit. Sometimes people will spend the time researching to find lower prices. Other times, they'll just log onto their favorite marketplace, i.e. Amazon, eBay, Facebook marketplaces, etc., and they'll just hit the buy button. There's also different personality types. Some personality types, melancholy, etc., like to do research. Others don't. Now, I'm not going to go into personality types on this video as I've done that before, but there is different personality types. Some personality types will spend a lot more time researching, others won't. Note though also, I'm not recommending that you use Kmart or Bunnings. In fact, I've been saying for many years not to use Kmart as a supplier, as Kmart puts their branding on their boxes, which can create what is known in the industry as buyer confusion. By the way, if you want to see more popular dropship suppliers, I've got a free list of over 900 popular dropship suppliers from a previous week's video, and you can download that right now for free. I'll put a link on the screen and below. I hope this video helped you with explaining dropshipping. Please leave me a comment below and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step by step how anyone can build a 7-digit online business from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.